Nearly 18 years after a deadly robbery at a Concord sun-drop bottling plant, the man accused at the center of this case is a step closer to facing a North Carolina jury and judge. Johnny Talbert was back in court today in Washington State for an extradition hearing. WCNC Charlotte's Jesse Pierre is joining us in the studio now. And Jesse, you listen in on that hearing. Just a matter of time until he shows back up here in North Carolina.
Like you said, just a matter of time. You know, we don't have a date yet on when Talbert will arrive back in North Carolina. But during today's hearing, we did learn the legal process to bring him back is almost complete. Now, the focus shifts to coordinating his transport from Washington State. Sundrop murder suspect Johnny Talbert returned to a Washington State courtroom Wednesday for a brief extradition hearing.
The governor's warrant came through. The court should have a copy of that.
Talbert is accused of murder in the 2008 killings of Donna Barnhart, a longtime manager at the Sundrop Bottling Company in Concord, and Daryl Knowles, who was at the business applying for a job. Talbert was arrested in Port Angeles, Washington last month after investigators say a break in the cold case led them to him. Because Talbert did not agree to return voluntarily, North Carolina had to obtain a governor's warrant to formally order his return. With the warrant in place, the focus shifts to logistics. Prosecutors told the court U.S. Marshals and officials in both states are coordinating the transfer. Attorney Timothy Kennedy, who is not involved in the case, says the process can take time.
There'll be communication between the prosecutors and the governors and everybody to make sure that we're not just wasting time putting it on court for no reason, but where we're also making sure that we do what we need to do appropriately to get this gentleman back to North Carolina so that he can face trial.
Till those details are finalized, Talbert will remain in a Washington State jail. The judge scheduled another status hearing for July 10th. Colin?
All right, time is ticking. Thank you, Jesse.